Alright. Shoot it. Oh. That was a long run.
Oh, God!
Wait a minute. Someone's over there.
Get up here and take some pictures.
Just like painted the whole ground. Well, we painted the blacks. Isn't that WD-40?
Conditions toughens, relieves, cracked, sore, and tender feet. Oh my God!
Alright. Go for it.
I need somebody to come up here. Cameron, can you get on like your...
Why? Just hold it like the, like I do. Fail. Huh?
See, I'm shaking the gun.
Here, you. Okay, hold it.
Yeah. Dude, let's take a video.
You already are. We're already taking the video.
It's not loaded.
Cameron,
Back
get
away.
back here. At. You are a terrible shot. Now you're out of shots.
I am?
Yeah. Indeed you are. I'm about to shoot it for you.
Here, I'll just set it up on yeah, I won't do the rocket effect. It's gonna be amazing! You set it up like...
if the idiot could hit it.
What? I shot that thing.
Yeah, you just barely abrased the side. Now, if you would truly hit it, that'd make this fact much more interesting and fun to watch.
Sorry about the little mishap.
I'm about to shoot it for you. If you miss a shot, I swear to God, I'm gonna shoot it for you.
So hit it.
Hey! You finally hit it!
Oh my!
Hey, look at the bleeder!
And look at the box.
Oh my God. That was awesome.
Freaking total carnage!
Alright, let's get ready for the yellow. Alright, now we got the second one set up. It's a pad seal thing, I guess.
Alright, let's see how it goes.
Hit it. Hey! That one wasn't as fun as the other ones, but...
I was like, oh my God, it smells terrible.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, does it smell like?
And this is the rifle we use to do it. It's a BB gun, 10 pumps, and it's quite powerful.
Is that my brick?
Your brick? I don't know. I don't give a shit. Anyway, yeah, this is what we used. Basically, bolt action, basically. And yeah, 10 pumps, it'll go through a rabbit. It's pretty powerful. It's fun to use. If you got a bigger one that's more powerful, it'll tell you to shoot. I can't tell you how much I really don't care. Anyway, yeah, that's what we use to blow those up, and then I can tell you it's fun. You should try it.